India's National Security Advisor Ajit Doval met Afghan leadership in Kabul to support the peace process on Wednesday. This is the first high-level summit from Delhi to Afghanistan amid the peace process, and it comes at a time when the second phase of intra-Afghan dialogue began in Doha last week. New Delhi is the biggest financial supporter of Afghanistan, and with the two countries having close engagement for years. During his two-day visit, NSA Ajit Doval met his counterpart, Afghan NSA Hamdullah Mohib. He also met Afghan President Ashraf Ghani to discuss counter-terrorism efforts and building regional consensus for supporting peace in Afghanistan. Ghani said Afghanistan and India in joint efforts with NATO and the United States will be able to succeed in the fight against terrorism. Last year, India saw 3 high-level visits from Afghanistan. Besides mega infrastructure projects like the India-Afghanistan Friendship Dam and the Afghan Parliament, India is providing scholarships to many Afghan students. During the COVID-19 pandemic, India sent 75,000 tons of wheat and 20 tons of life-saving medicines and other equipment to Afghanistan. On January 15th, India, through MEA spokesperson Anurag Srivastava, expressed deep concern over the targeted killings of journalists and civil society members in Afghanistan, calling it contrary to the spirit of the peace process. India has been calling for an Afghan-led, Afghan-owned, Afghan-controlled peace process. As the Afghan government and the Taliban talk peace, terror attacks and killings in Kabul and other parts of Afghanistan continue to disrupt the peace process. However, most of the terror attacks have been claimed by ISIS or the Islamic State Khorasan Province (ISKP) operating in Afghanistan and not Taliban. With the recent reports of ISKP's connections with Pakistani deep state and intelligence, Pakistan's role in finding an alternative to Taliban in ISKP for disrupting peace in Afghanistan are being brought to the fore. Security analysts also believe that ISKP's top leadership has been infiltrated by Pakistani intelligence group, and Pakistan has been supporting Afghan militants for a long time for their sinister goal to counter ethnic Pashtun nationalist movement which threatens Islamabad's territorial claims on Pashtunistan. The bigger threat are not these groups, but Pakistan that continues to back Islamist militants in Afghanistan. Today it's ISKP-ISK. Tomorrow it will be some other group, said Hikmatullah Azami, Deputy Director at Center for Conflict and Peace Studies, to South Asia Press in a recent report.